Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat's over on the bed. Y'all, I got my exchange from Trendsend Evereve in, so I just wanted to show it to you and try it on and see if I fit in this thing. So if you don't know what Trendsend is, it is a try before you buy clothing subscription from the department store Evereve. If you use my link below, you'll get your first box for $1, and you will also receive 20% off of your first order. After your first initial box, if you keep getting the box, it will be a $20 stylist fee. You do get that back if you keep something in the box. So very fun, very cool. If you keep all 4 items in your box, you get 10% off. Just so you know. Actually, I told you wrong. You can get this as a subscription, or you can get it without the subscription, just as a one-time box. So yes, very cool. I like that. Or you could just go to Evereve and shop. They're doing some big sales right now. But right now, I'm going to show you the sweater that I had traded in. This is a Marl yarn pullover in COCOAMULTI. That's the color. I changed it to a medium because it looks so oversized on me. It's originally a $98 sweater. I got it for $34.99. And it is cute. Oh, it's going to be shorter. I didn't think about that when I traded it in. But I just think it is so pretty. It is so soft. We'll see what it looks like. I'll show you what I'm wearing today, and I will try this on. Ooh, what do y'all think? And when I'm doing the try on, I may pop over a side by side and show you the other size on me, and that way you can tell me which size you think looks better on me. All right, I'll see you back in a second. All right, y'all, so I went back. I was like, I don't remember paying $34.99 for this. It actually was $54.99 when I got it. So I wonder if I got it for this price or the other price. I'll look into that and see. Because, yeah, I want to save that 20 bucks if I can. Look, Miss Bonnie Faye came to join us, everybody. Say hi, Miss Bonnie Faye. She's like, I'll swap my tail at you. Sweet girls. All right, see you back in a second. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing some can denim I got from Stitch Fix, and this top is from Nordstrom, I think Trunk Club. I will link it below if I can find it. Very cute. I have no idea where I got this. I've had it for a while. These I think I got from mintMONGOOSE, and this I just got from Single Swag in their genuine box. So my outfit of the day. Oh, and we can't forget my socks. Give me kitty socks I got from my Cat Lady box on. Alright, let's try on some clothes. Alright, so here is the sweater in a medium. I cannot believe it fits a lot better. A lot better, don't you think? I mean, what do you think? Do we like it? Do we not like it? It made it a lot shorter, but not so short as to show anything when I race. I still think it's cute. Oh, I got something in my hair. There's a frizzy mess today, y'all. Okay, so what do we think of the sweater? Do we like it this size? Or do we not like it? I mean, it's fun. It's fun. All right, let's do a review. All right, y'all, I am back with the sweater. I do like the sweater. I'm gonna watch it back and, like I said, put them side by side and see how the different sizes look on me. Like I said, this is a medium. It's been many moons since I fit it in a medium anything. Do you think it was too short? Do you like it? I don't know. And the whole price difference thing, it kind of bothers me because I know it. If I don't get it for the 30 something, if I paid the 50 something, I'll have to throw a fit. Well, because it just seems wrong to have put it on my price tag and then sent it to me like that. You know what I mean? Am I crazy for that? Is that just me being frugal? Y'all, don't forget to let me know what you think. Comment below, press all the little buttons below. I love it when y'all do that. Miss Callie thanks you. Isn't that right, Miss Callie? Yeah? Yeah? Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless. Silly girl. You're a silly girl.